September 30th, 1968, first giant 747 is presented to the world. This is a milestone in Boeing history, a time to look forward and a time to look back. To the beginnings, May 1966, a tranquil woodland near Everett, Washington, swept clean to make room for a new dimension. A factory, the world's largest, takes form. Inside, the 747 program becomes a reality, from paper to metal. Machining and manufacturing. Assembly and major body joints. The airplane grows. Rollout marks the beginning of a new phase. An exhaustive program by test engineers. Their goal, to ready the huge airplane for her maiden flight. Every system and subsystem installation is checked. Every coupling, component, and calibration is scrutinized. Followed by an engineering safety inspection. On hand are all echelons of management, engineering, manufacturing, and safety for a total airframe and power plant examination. All 53 movable surfaces are checked and timed. As is the 16-wheeled main gear. Outdoors again. The plane is rotated on air cushion platforms while the compass system is checked. In spite of snow and freezing temperatures, engines are motored. Then run up and trimmed, equalized thrust from all four engines at identical throttle settings. Now the flight crew takes over, feeling out the steering in a series of tight turns. Taxi tests are run and rerun, establishing braking and thrust reverser characteristics at speeds from 80 to 140 knots.
During the taxi tests, which included some fairly rigorous high-speed tests up to 165 or so, had the nose in the air about 9 degrees, a few more knots, so we'd have been airborne prematurely.
February 8, 1969. The dress is informal, but the occasion is not. Top Everett manufacturing personnel gather in a control room to release the 747 to flight test. Jack Waddell, chief test pilot, formally accepts the airplane. After the ceremony, the flight crew makes one last check. Computers to measure and record first flight data. Ballast. Instrumentation. It is the day before first flight and a new dimension in air travel.